Hafiz Khan. Let's hear his views.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respectable teachers, fellow mates and honorable guests. Assalamu alaikum. When I thought upon this topic, I realized that let's just not kid ourselves and say that some lies are better than truth. I cannot agree. There is a very, very thin line between a white lie and dishonesty. Do you think that you can draw that line honestly? As narrated by Al-Trinity, our Prophet allowed to avoid truth in 3 situations. When a man speaks to his wife, to please her. In the war, to reconcile between people. Apart from that, a lie is a lie, so no matter what reason it is. Oh, what a tangled web we weave when we start lying. First, we hesitate. Later, we start lying for every single reason, satisfying our conscience. It's then that the vicious circle of this endless void starts, and we are left with a guilty conscience, which is only finding excuses to justify this occasional lie. Is that acceptable? Can you justify it? I'm sorry to say, it represents opportunistic behavior. Remember the story of Pinocchio? Or the boy who cried wolf? What their lies did to them? Why telling lies and making excuses when one can simply apologize? Why lying to a dying patient when we do not know when we are going to take our last breath? I know, it's easier to say than to live it. It's true that to be untruthful in this world is inescapable. But we, the Ummah of the Prophet known as As-Sadiq, know that Islam is based on truth. Allah says, do not mix the truth with falsehood or conceal the truth while you know. Because there is curse of Allah upon liars. Allah will surely enter the hell. One of the 3 signs of a hypocrite is he lies. Truth, the deadliest weapon ever discovered by humanity. It takes our spirits close to the Creator. We should continue as honesty as no hidden motives and complete absence of hypocrisy. It's heavy, so future to carry. But sometimes majority only means that ignorance are on the same side. Philosophers like Aristotle, Augustine, and Manon have insisted not to lie, even if the only way to protect ourselves is lying. Einstein said, anyone who does not take truth seriously in small matters cannot be trusted in large ones either. Sometimes cutting words threaten to overspill onto our relations. So rather than being brutally honest, we should use a glass truth with love to make it less thorny and painful. If one needs to lie to save a relationship, what's the value of such a relationship which needs a lie to strengthen it? The real beauty of a relation lies in trust, which comes from truth. The only secret ingredient needed for any adopted relationship which is worth anything. Never to lie, I have earned. Not to hurt, I have learned. Never let go of what is true, no matter how hard things are for you. Thank you.